Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I know what you're saying right now. Look, Crystal's wearing something she made. I don't ever wear crochet clothing. I don't. Makes me extremely uncomfortable. But I did want to show you this new poncho I made because I think it's very, very pretty. It's actually probably one of my favorites. It's a meshy type poncho. I do have another meshy type poncho on my channel, but this one is a little bit different, and it's very easy to make and quick. If you know how to single and double crochet, you got this, trust me. But it's very pretty. I just wanted to show you. I won't be keeping it. This one's going to be gifted to my sister-in-law, more than likely. But it is pretty. See the nice scalloped edge? Anyways, I'm wearing it for the video. I feel a little exposed. Okay. Let's. Anyways, I'll put a link to this tutorial up on the screen if I remember. If not, it'll be in the comment section if I remember. If not, it's my latest tutorial. So yeah, you know, this will work great as a swimsuit cover too. This is actually done in 100% silk yarn. But you can use any yarn that you, any 4-weight yarn that you choose. Would work just fine. The video goes over all the deets. I don't know, I love the color though, but I'm a brown fan. It's beautiful. Okay, so today I'm going to show you some Lion Brand mystery boxes I got. So I bought 4. And then, because you know how sometimes they can be the same, right? Well, usually they are the same. And then, like a week later, I bought 2 more to see if they were going to be the same. Do you guys want to check them out? You know, just for fun. You know, just to see what's in it. So, oh, they also had a shirt sale not too long ago. I have like tons of Lion Brand merch. I have all their shirts that they have. They had their shirts for $9.99. So I bought 2 new ones that they had just put on there. So this one says, yes, this is my rusting stitch face. It's kind of cute. I wish it said Lion Brand on it somewhere. And then I got this one. I don't like wearing this poncho. I'm gonna swap it out for one of these shirts. I'm sorry. I just really am. So I don't even really like to model my stuff anymore. I just don't like it. I mean, I like it. I just don't like it on me. I feel uncomfortable. Live my best. I can't read it backwards. Maker life. Give me a second here. All right, now I feel much better. I do. I like that shirt from Lion Brand. Jewelry doesn't match anymore. I usually try to make my jewelry match my outfit, but that is okay. I did do the hat switch. Okay, I feel a lot more comfortable. All right, so yeah, check out that poncho. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in these. So first I'll open the first 4 that I ordered first. They're probably all going to be the same. They were $19.99, and they're a mix between 4 weights and 5 weights. Some people want to know what that CYC stands for. Lion Brand uses it quite often when they put the weight of their yarns on their website. It stands for Craft Yarn Council. So it's just a fancy way of saying that this is a 4-weight yarn. It's been by the standards of the Craft Yarn Council. So that's all that means. So if you go to Lion Brand's website and you see CYC 4, it's a 4-weight. CYC 5, it's a bulky 5. CY3 or CYC 3 is a 3-weight or a DK. So that's what that means. Some people ask me that. Just a fancy way of putting it. Yeah. Okay. So here is number 1. It's more of what I got in the last one, but some different. Okay, so this is the cotton blend. Okay, I got this last time, but I got it in green last time and pink last time. I think a lot of people have gotten this in their mystery boxes. This purple's really pretty. The pink was pretty, and so was the green. So it's a 4-weight cotton acrylic blend. I think it's a cotton acrylic blend. I like it. I don't have the purple. I do have a few of the other colors, but I don't have that purple. I got this respun again, which I like respun, but this is like the 4th bag of the same color that I received, I think. So, but that's okay. I have some hats made out, or one hat made out of respun with a wired brim. You guys should check it out. It looks pretty good. I'd put it on, but it's over there. And then I got this is their Twisted Cotton Blend. I got this in one of their mystery boxes, but in a different color. It's pretty. I like the green. I don't have the green here at my house. It's a bulky 5 cotton acrylic blend. So this one is an okay yarn for me. So let's go on. I'm opening the 4, so they're probably all gonna be the same. We can only hope. I don't mind when they're the same. I don't, because that's just more yarn that you can make a bigger project. But sometimes I like them to be different. That's why I waited a week and ordered 2 more. See if they were going to be different. Yes. Okay. Number 2, that is the same. It's fun though, isn't it? Okay. This is number 4 I bought together. So they just have a big pile of them, and they just like take them off the pile. But it says in their listing that if you order more than one, yeah, you're probably going to get the same. So that's why I decided to order them at different times. Same. I don't know how to do all that. This stuff's going to end up in a giveaway. I might use that purple though. I might use some of this. We'll see. It's going to be the same. It's the same. It's the same. Okay, well, we got through those quick. I have got a lot of that to make a project. Okay, now these I bought 2 more, but like I said, I bought these like a week apart. So maybe they'll be different. Maybe they won't. We'll find out right now. I guarantee though they're probably going to be the same. Well, if they're different than these, they'll be the same as each other. I don't know though. We'll see. It's the same. I'll be giving my son these too. I don't need all of this same yarn. So yes. Look for a giveaway for some of this soon. It's not that I don't like it. I do. I can't use this much of it. It's too much. It's too much. What am I going to do with all this? I don't need it all. So, I like to, come on, be different. I thought ordering them a week apart would kind of make a difference. Because last time I did mystery boxes, I got different. But, different in when I ordered them separate. But not this time. We made them all the same. All the same. We did a million mystery boxes and they're all the same. You're never getting anything different. That's a short video. Hey, I hope you still had fun. I had a good time. I got loads of this. Loads of this. How much is it? 225 yards of a 4-weight of this. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, 2 packs would be enough to make me anything I could want to make out of it. Because I'm not big on making blankets, really. I mean, sometimes, but if I do, it's usually out of a bulky yarn. So, yeah. And then I got a whole bunch. This, I really don't need it. I mean, I have 1 pack of 3. That's all I'll need already. I gave the other ones away. And this, if I do, let's see the yardage on this one. Use it. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it is a bulky 5. 3 pack would do me good to make anything I wanted to make. There's only 98 yards, but this isn't a yarn that I would make anything huge out of. Maybe a scarf or something. Or a lightweight cowl. You know what I could keep? You know what I might keep 2. They give me 600 yards. I can make a lacy poncho or a lacy shawl with that. But then I got a lot more to give away. So yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Lion Brand. Switch them up a bit. No, I'm just kidding. It was a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, look for this stuff in a giveaway soon, okay? And check out that poncho I just made. All my other tutorials. Remember, I have another channel. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link to that below too. Also, yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. Stay safe, okay?